In 1772, 3, 4, I believe that Ursula was using the hearth itself. While it seems like one could say simply the hearth was never simple. You had to have vegetables in, provisions ready to go, sugar, flour, molasses, lemons, brandy, the kinds of ingredients that went into meals of that very gentry class. It involved from the simplest kinds of pans, large Dutch ovens, spider, skillets on long legs, and spits. You could put small trivets inside a large Dutch oven and use it as an oven by heating it up next to the fire, putting your tart, your pudding, your something that needed to be roasted in that, and then put coals and wood on top of that. So it's being heated all the way around. It then becomes essentially a freestanding oven. Biscuits could be made that way, hot rolls could be made that way. Certainly roasting of meat on a spit in front of a fire was a primary skill. We see a lot of goose being butchered and lamb being butchered in Martha Wales Jefferson's housekeeping book. Cooks who could roast on a spit, who had that ability to judge doneness or crispness or appearance, were considered to be gems. They had a touch. It was not enough that the food simply be served and presented, but that it meet a certain level of expectation.